Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Pages and pick a template to get going. You don't need to fiddle with settings first. You'll see plus in the top right. Tap it, choose a template or blank, and tap Create. Once done, name the document by tapping the title. This saves to iCloud if enabled. Make sure to enable iCloud in Settings Apple ID so edits sync across devices. This prevents version confusion and lets you pick up where you left off. Select text and use the format brush on the right to change font, size, and spacing. You'll see live updates so you can tweak until it reads well. Once done, tap plus to insert images, shapes, tables, or a text box, drag to position. For precise placement, use Arrange to align, distribute, lock, or change text wrap. This keeps elements consistent. Make sure to use rulers and guides for exact margins when preparing print or a polished layout. When your document is ready, tap the three dots and choose Export to save as PDF, Word, or Pages. This lets you share in the right format. You can also tap Collaborate to invite others and work in real time. Set permissions before sending. If something goes wrong, force close Pages and reopen, then check iCloud storage and update iPad OS. If a document won't open, restore from the recent files or iCloud backup to recover your work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.